So if you were wondering what you can get for $1.1 million on Amelia Island, we are here in the sought-after community of Egans Bluff. It's a quarter mile from the beach, right off the Amelia to River to Sea Trail. We've got live oaks, Spanish moss. It's a beautiful community. Right here we've got a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fully renovated house. Come check it out. We've got another family room here. You've got the TV, wood-burning fireplace. You've got a fully renovated kitchen, quartz countertops, waterfall on the island. You've got solid wood cabinets, soft close. It's got the inset doors. And then over here, we've got another little dining area. We've got half bath. We've got a laundry room with a butler's kitchen. And then in here, we have a garage with a full workout section. You could do anything though. You could do a shop, you could turn it into an office. But then follow me to my favorite part of this home. We have an in-ground saltwater pool, 6 feet deep, sun shelf with a bubbler. Got these stairs across here. Then over here, this is super unique. It is a full court pickleball. So it's got the lines here, but you can use this for anything. So you can use this for roller skates, scooters, hoverboards, badminton, whatever you want, you can use here. You can even put, this community has where you can do an ADU. So if you wanted to build a cabana, if you wanted to build a mother-in-law suite, you can do that right here. And you can see there's so much deck space. It really is indoor, outdoor, Florida living. You've got a fire pit here, and then you still have a ton of grass over here. You've got grass on that side, grass on that side. So there's plenty of room for pets, anything like that. There's an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. It is the perfect Florida house. And at night, we're so close to the beach that you can hear the waves crashing. All right, so down this hall, we've got 2 bedrooms. Here on the right, we've got a full bath here with limestone tile throughout, floor to ceiling on the back wall there, and engineered hardwoods throughout the entire house. And then we have the primary bedroom and the fully renovated primary bathroom.